as we get underway with the second set. Castellano, and that is nagpapakilala lang po ako sa inyong lahat. Ako po ay simpleng mahilig lang maglaro ng volleyball, pero magko-contribute ako sa araw na ito. 1-all tayo. Patangkad din ito.
Alam mo, tinitignan ko yung lineup ngayon ng Philippine Army. 4 out of the 6 players on the floor actually graduated from FEU. Mga galing FEU.
Dakis Adno.
Bunag and Salak.
Bunag and Salak. Wala. Oo nga, no? PLDT behind right now. The thing. Dinina ni Joblin. Dinina ni Gimbaze at somersault si yung bagong libero. Si Irowa.
Hindi usong pagtetak dito.
Pwede.
Halo agad.
Linggo gusto mo agad. 3-1.
Kapagpahingayin si Tina.
Yeah. It's fun family pizza. It's got to be Shakers. By the way, we will have a playoff game. Ateneo plays Air Force for the 4th and final slot. Ateneo, of course, didn't invest that many wins in the early goings. In the meantime, Tina Salak with a very interesting smile on her face. There's a nice block.
Smiling all throughout. Yung movement ng Army yun, lighter, kahit mas maliksi ng konti, compared to what we saw in the first set.
4-1, and Salak really exercising her leadership on that side of the floor. Bunag, in the meantime, wastes her serve. It will become 2 against 4 as Estampa will be serving. Voice Estampa. In the meantime, here goes Adno. The set for Balse, a bit of a miss on the ground, but actually, Patilano had a hand on it to keep it afloat para masyadong mababa.
That's right. And itong Filipino Army dinadaan din sa sa gulang ang puntos na nakukuha nila.
So we would say sometimes inaalin na nila. Kasi bakit naman kung minamama? Benting, her strike is checked, and it is now 6-2 in favor of the Lady Troopers. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue. Lion target katulad na rin proudly Philippine made. Rachel and Dak is all set to serve for all of you. Dak is taking her own time. Patilano gives it to Rosas. Alright, it's a bit.
Double called here at PLDT.
And Roger Correa is trying to encourage his tosser. Sige lang, bigay mo lang.
Pero napatayo na rin siya dun sa side because this is actually a big lead right now by the Philippine Army.
Kanya-kanyang tulugan sa pansita na nangyari. Army ahead at the technical timeout, 8-2.
As you can see, para malaman ko anong for a good or better mix to go against with the Lady Troopers. And for the Philippine Army, they lacked aggressiveness and focus on the game, which is why they lost the first set. And as their team captain, Tina Salak, reminded them, they know what to do inside the court, pero kulang sila sa execution. They should deliver. And they should start this with good reception. Alan Seb?
Yes, indeed. It was all Tina Salak in the huddle. In the meantime, we have the longest rally. And Batigay says, and but referee Philip Jesus said, it's 4 touches. He had already counted 4 touches.
Point for PLDT.
And ayaw pang maniwala ni Marisa Bautista actually.
Alam mo kanina sa report ni Ate Ivy na sinasabi nga niya, there's no other person on the floor na pwedeng mag-demand sa kanyang mga teammates na gandahan yung reception kundi yung set.
Yes, indeed. Wait, siya may karapatan. And Balse knocking that in. It is 9-3. Still Army ahead. First set going the way of PLDT, 25-15. Don't forget that here in the V-League, the official outfitter is AXO. Patilano. Army playing a little better here. Plus their blocking is right there. Roger Gorayab needs a timeout, trying to gather the troops.
Dali nyo lagi sa ay, lumalaki yung lamang.
self-hand. Merong sumigaw, merong sexy, iba-ibang tono. 10-3. Gonzaga tayo. Pinalong ni Benting, lumusot. Inaas ni Nene Bautista. Agno, Nene Palo. Ay, bumalik sa mga ate.
Kasi hindi nasalak ni Nitete si Agno. Ano? Sabi ako magsasete.
Oo, huwag kang maggulo dyan. Si Agno nag-apologize. Because ang official ball of the Shakey's League, Rachel Andakis was telling Agno, pagka ng TikTok. TikTok ka. Stop ka. Agno digs it up. Salak na receiving. Balse. Patilano. The other side we go. Sultanas, who scored well in the first, can't get going here. It's 11-4 in favor of the Army.
So far, the Philippine Army able to hold their lead. Ano? Bumabawi talaga from the first set.
Roger Goriev, in the last time I told his team, dikit nyo. Trying to challenge his team to bring it close. Mukhang regalo Bautista unable to spot that on. Here's a dump by Bunag. It's true. The double block. It's Sultanas with a smile over that one. Itong batang ito. Oh, ano lang talaga yan. Lakas.
Oh, lakas. Power and wrist action is there.
Kung si Eliza Valdez, lipad. Ito, power. Salak with a one-handed set, hindi lang nakapitalize. Sa kabila tayo, ayaw ipilit ni Sultanet. Salak, nice set. Bautista.
Oh, look at that. Defense was there. Nandun si Angela Benting, pero the ball was just too strong.
Watch the nice set by Tina Salak. FU pala si Tina Salak. So, isang kaperbang FU yan, ano? Oh! Ito naman, nakakatulog naman sa kabilang panig ang PLDT home tail pad.
Is that or there's something about that other side of the court?
Ano? Kaya nga nag-change for tayo. Na minsan that's long, Bautista wastes her serve. It's 13-6. And so it's a fifth set. You notice we change at 8. It's all psychological, of course, but no harm in speculating. 13-6. 6 remaining as 13. Sultanas will gamble with her familiar jump serve. Dakis. Didn't go over. Yeah.
No break put there for Dakis. She went straight into the net.
Parang bigat ang paa ng Army in that play. Let's see if they can recover. 13-7. Sultanas on her serve. Dakis moves back. Doesn't get the pass. And yes, deeply done. It's currently 14-7. Serve changes hands as Salak will be serving. 14-7. Looked long but still in play. De Leon dumps it over. Salak says, I know that. Dakis. Benting. Palo blocked. Benting from back row. Country out. And it is 15-7.
Latigay. Telling Coach Roger outside. Kinuha.
Oh. The quick is caught. And Estampa with her hand in the cookie jar. 16-7 is the count. It is Army in front at the technical timeout. Bunag will be serving from way back. In the air with De Leon. It's a regalo. One-handed pickup by Latigay. Again a joust over crossing. It's Latigay crossing and it's 18-8. Timeout, Roger Goriev.
Pagdating doon sa inyo, palungin ninyo. Ito bigyan mo ng mataas-taas na bola ng parang
clearly, there are a lot of things that PLDT needs to work on. Right now, Seb, ang kanilang success rate sa reception is just 8% as compared to 50% of the Philippine Army. Pagdating sa atake, 10% as compared to 40% of the Philippine Army.
And Estampa, who is seeing a lot of playing time here today, and one of the regular bench players actually getting to see some action. Sa panahon ng tag-ulan, iwasan ng dengue, Lion Tiger, katulad gamitin proudly, Philippine-made. Reserve play. Lift by Salah. The Lions spinning around. Lapige cranks it up to the other side with Salah, and no problem for Jovelyn Gonzaga.
Look at that. Against a single block, Gonzaga had so much room, napadaanan yung bola.
Yes, hardly any resistance there. Dakis and her serve, Rosas gets to it, and Benting misses completely. It is 20-9. PLDT unable to even reach the double-digit mark during this home stretch of the second set. Dakis, her service way long.
Well, they're up by 10 points. And just need 5 more to close this set. Let's see what PLDT has.
And we'll start with Lapigay serving. Gonzaga, Salah, Tinago si Bautista. Bautista unable to elevate. Soltones rejected. Pantone, De Leon, Soltones. Dakis. Nainis siya kasi hindi masyado niyang naitaas yung bola. Lapigay will continue to serve. It's 11 against 20. Long. Nagpapalitan ng service error ng dalawa.
But right now, PLDT can't afford to do that.
No, they can't. Shakey's, if it's one family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Gonzaga? Regalo. Dinukot sa ilalim ni Roses. Tina? Nene? It is out, and it is 21-12. If Army holds on, sets will be tied at the end of this second set. Benting. Agno. Balse is spoiled.
PLDT gets a good block.
Pinago na nga si Balse, nahuli pa ng block, 21-13. Not as quick kasi. Medyo mabagal ang execution. They recycle though. That goes through this time around.
Most of the plays that Army is executing at this point, medyo yung sure plays,
Porsyento, no?
Porsyento muna.
Might as well take care of icing the set. In the meantime, Sue Rosas sits down. The Ganadera is in. There's Jing Balse. The Ganadera fresh off the bench and scoring quickly. It is 22-14. Question you ask is, can PLDT still stall Army? That is 3 points away from taking set number 2.
It's not gonna be easy, pero definitely, ang challenge na sa kanila ni Coach Roger, idikit nyo lang, yun ang importante. But if they wanna do that, it means that they cannot commit any more mistakes from this point on.
Almost perfect volleyball, Salah resets. Bautista. Bunad says, no problem. Bautista hesitates. Soltones with mustard, ketchup, and everything on it. It's 22-15. Vanadero all set to serve for all of you. Pinaas, alanganin. Oh!
Nakapuntos pa. And Bunag. Tinawanan din yun. No? Because sinave lang niya yung bola, but ended up being a point.
Ano pupuntahan yun actually? 23-15. Bautista. Regalo, hindi. Sultanes is caught. That is inside.
A lot of lucky points. And both teams, of course, welcoming those points.
Kasi naman wala.
Oo,
sabi
diba?
nila, no? 16-23. Sultanes would jump serve most likely. He does. Bunag makes it a set. Dafis. Bunag brings the Army to set point.
Sa mga ganung pagkakataon, nagiging unahan ang Bagpuntos Army. Now on set point.
24-16. Nice dump. 24-17. De Leon. Nearly a mess up, a free ball it becomes. De Leon. Something. Buna trying to return the favor. Boy, sometimes some luck helps. And it is 25-17.